This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. Sometimes when you're trying to fix something quirky with your Joomla site and you just can't figure it out, the best thing to try is upload and update. Let's see how to do that right now. We're in the back end of a Joomla site. This one's not broken, but I can still show you where to go. Click on System, go to Joomla Update, and then you'll see this box on here says Upload and Update. What you want to do is get the Joomla install package and upload it and either update or even reinstall the same Joomla version over top. To get that package, you're going to go to joomla.org. You're going to click on Joomla Download. Then you're going to go just get the download package. There, I'm downloading the zip package. It's going to go onto my desktop there. And now we're going to go back and click Upload and Update. I'm going to choose the file. Let's choose the one that I just downloaded. Here it is right there. Click Open. I'm aware I need a backup. Yeah, of course, do backup before you do this. I'm going to click Upload and Install. And while that is uploading, before it installs, you're going to be asked to put in your username and password again, just to make sure that this is the thing that you want to do. So as we see here, I'm just going to put in my username and password and click Install. So now basically the Joomla install process is going to take place again. And I think where this helps most often is going through the steps of creating your database and tables and updating to the latest version and everything. Sometimes that often is what's needed. Now, after that, you can just open and go to your administrator area. See if that fixes your problem. If it does, great. If not, just keep trying. Subscribe for more videos. Till next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.